Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share another video in the harmony block and cable series. And this car is the PORSCHE Cayenne 2008 model, which actually belonging to the 9PA generation 2002 and 2010. The car is coming with the factory screen and BOSE sound system and with a 4.5 liter engine V8. So it already been removed, and if you want to see how to remove this one, simply check another video we have in our system. And now just put the head unit out and on the side. Okay, so you have a few cable over here, two of the sort of block for the antenna thing, and you have fiber optic cable over here. Okay, be gentle with that one. And you have two other power and thin cable over here. So in total you have 5 of them behind the head unit, and one of them certainly is fiber optic cable that you want to work on them. Okay, so if you want to see another video of how we do the job in this one and how we get the 9-inch system into this Cayenne, please look at another video link at the end of this video. Thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.